Hi, welcome to this demo of NXToption Strategy Builder. If you are an options trader and you like to build your own strategies, and you can check out NXToption Strategy Builder where you can build your own strategies. Let me take you through the demo very quickly. So right now we are on CubePlus. Just click, and here click on strategies and simply click on the second option that's called Strategy Builder. So once you go to this page, you have Nifty as a default here, Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty. You can also select stock options, for example, Varun Beverages, or you can stay with an index like Nifty. So what happens here is, if you are bullish that the market is going to go up, that is the Nifty, keeping this expiry 30th September, you can use any of these bullish strategies. We have buy call, sell put, long call, diagonal spread, and so on. And if you are bearish on the market, click on bearish. You have strategies for bearish market as well. So bear put spread, bear call spread, put ratio, back spread. So these are the strategies available. And if you believe the market is going to be range bound, you can click on neutral. So you have neutral strategies like the iron butterfly, short iron condor, and Batman. So, and many other strategies available ready made for you. These are inbuilt strategies. There are other strategies as well, like put ratio spread, strip strap, buy future. So let's look at this option right next to the Nifty. Chart opens up. You can look at your chart, decide in a strategy. You can add indicators and then save it here. So if you want to build your own strategy, you can simply build your strategy by clicking on the build your strategy button. So what happens is this option chain opens up. So here you have options and futures. So let's look at options. And let's build our strategy here. I'm just buying 25,250 call and selling 25,450 call. If I want to look at the Greeks, I can click on the Greeks button, and the Greeks also available here. That is gamma, vega, theta, delta, and then you have the LTP. You can check the Greeks for all the strikes. I simply press confirm, and I can name this as well. So just let me name it as bull call and save. The strategy gets saved. And when you look at the legs that you took, 23rd September 2025 expiry, you can change the expiry by simply choosing what expiry you want, 30th September, 7th October, and so on. Similarly, we are taking a buy on 25,250. Suppose you want to go sell on this, so simply click on the buy icon and it changes to sell. Similarly, if you want to shift from selling to buying, you can simply click on it. Here you can see CEP, we are taking calls on both. So if you want to change it to put, simply click on the button and it changes to put. Same thing with the other leg. So you can individually change the lot size for each leg as well. And you can check out the entry price for both the last traded price, and then we have the market depth, that is the bid and ask price. You can click on the chart icon and check the individual premium charts as well. Here you can delete your leg. Similarly, we have a lot multiplier. So if you have multiple legs here and you want the same lots, same amount of lots, you can simply change it here. So what happens is it commonly changes for all the legs available. So here I had chosen lot multiplier of 5 and it changed for each leg as well. So let's get back to 1. So here on the right hand side, if you can see a maximum profit, probability of profit, margin required, funds required, break even, risk reward ratio, maximum loss, and so on. Similarly, you can see the payoff chart directly available once you choose the kind of strategy you want to build on. And you can also look at the P&L table. Here in the P&L table, you can change the target and see what is the total amount you will be making. So I'll just change the target and you can see you'll be making 8,576. Similarly, for Greeks, you can click on Greeks and check the delta value, theta, decay, and gamma, vega for each leg individually, and you can also check the total here right below it. Click on strategy charts. Here you can see the net premium that is represented in green, and Nifty that's represented in blue. So if you hover your mouse over this, you can see how they correlate with each other. You click on multi-strike OI, you can check them out individually, each leg individually. So the yellow represents one of the legs and the red represents one of the other legs. Blue being common, the underlying, that is the Nifty. So let's look at alerts. You can set an alert for PNL percentage, net Greeks, net premium. So you can set an alert for greater than or equal to or lesser or equal to. So if you want an alert for a net premium of, since we have chosen net premium as an option, and you want an alert for 100, you can set it and create the alert. You will get a message on Telegram. The next option is reset prices. You can simply click on it and reset the prices at the current price level. And here you can see create strategy watch. If you want to create this strategy watch and you simply click on it, here you can see strategy watch created successfully. So if you want to check out the strategy that you have created, you can go to strategy watch, and here this is the strategy that we have created. Let's get back to strategy builder. Here you can change the builder settings. So here we have a realized PNL. You want realized PNL, it will be visible, and manual PNL. The thing about manual PNL is, suppose you have 5,500 as your profit in mind, the maximum profit, your payoff chart will immediately change according to the price that you set. So let's set it to, suppose you want 19,000. So the payoff chart changed. So you can check your profits or your losses and check out your payoff chart accordingly. So once you're fine with this setup, you simply click on trade and this order pad will appear. Here you can take normal or intraday. You can check each leg individually, the market depth as usual. You can take market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders. The quantities can be changed here. Price can be changed here. Simply click at executed order and your order gets executed. You want to check out your charges, click on show charges. Here we have 51 rupees, 44 paise is your charge. And you can simultaneously check the margin required, that is 44,000, and the available margin on your account. So that's it for strategy builder. It is very simple. It's a simple tool. If you're an options trader, you can use this tool. It's available on NXToption. We'll be making more demo videos in the future. Stay tuned.